What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be like a vlog type of install. I got a buddy that's got a 2020 Honda Civic Type R. We're gonna be tossing on the PRL flex fuel setup on. So that's what we'll be doing today. Had to do a little pull. So nice out here, even though it's 99 degrees with 100% humidity. If you live down here in Georgia, anywhere in the South, you know what I'm talking about. For sure.
We here, we here.
Okay, we finally made it.
Get my car washed for the last 3 hours.
It looks good.
Yeah, it looks freaking mint.
Immaculate. I'm gonna eat off of it. Daddy.
Whoa.
Alright, here's the PRL kit. Super nice. Obviously it comes with a bunch of zip ties because that's how we put our cars together.
Absolutely.
Look how nice. So you'll get to the kit. I'll come back to this so I won't confuse you guys. Come on, man, start this thing up.
I'm about to.
Come on. Sorry, neighbors. Just kidding. We don't care. Love it. So we gotta pull a fuse out of it first, which is, what was it, F10? Did it say F10? Something like that. Almost fell.
Oh, I broke it.
You didn't break it. But man, it's got a rod valve knock tick. Alright, so once you're under the dash, there is a fuel pump fuse right here. It's a 20 amp. You gotta pull that fuse out. And once you pull the fuse out, the car should either shut off or run for a second and then shut off. Okay, it shuts off immediately. Okay, a reason of taking the fuse out while the car is running is to depressurize the fuel system. So when we take that line off, it won't all in our face. But before doing any of that, we gotta take the negative terminal off.
What's up, guys?
Lily! We're gonna wrap this in a towel just so that won't touch the metal and blow the world up.
Don't want that.
Now we need to grab a 10 mil, take these two 10 mils off, which will remove this bracket. Once you remove the bracket, we'll be able to get access to these lines. What? What? What'd you say, Lily? Do some what? We don't do that.
Well, I need to go get some E30 while I'm doing it. No, I don't have a tune for it. You know, I could get one.
You can get one. It's in the
base mask.
Yeah, we got to do that too. So when we get done with this, you want to ride to Mexico and get some E85?
Sounds good.
Awesome.
We're gonna put some in the TL too, boy. What?
We're not doing that. And this is why we're not doing that. That is a stance car. That is that. You can go get some E85 and put it in the back seat.
No, we're gonna put it in the car. What? I'm coming for everybody. All you scat packs, Type R.
You know
I'm
what?
coming for you.
He's right. Leon, we'll be back. We gotta
Go, Ryan.
go get some E85. Here, go get some E85. We'll see you in about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Back it off.
Yep. Now we gotta unclip the.
I believe we gotta unclip this.
Yep.
Yep.
Move that down. And then there'll be like a
Out.
little clip on the bottom. He said put a, hold on. No, we're not. Anyway, so we took the little white clip off. Next is this little green clip. You can grab both sides and let's hope it don't spit no fuel everywhere.
Bam!
Oh, okay, grab it. I'm at the wrong angle. Here. Stick your hand in there. Just do it. Yes,
Man, this
Dad.
just sprays me in the face and be pissed.
It ain't gonna spray you in the face. If it does, it'll just be a good cleansing. It's good for your pores.
Oh yeah.
Bad for cancer.
Maybe. How do we know?
Oh, did you hear that pressure?
Was there?
It really used itself all over me again.
I think you liked it.
Might
Just a little bit. Oh, that touched me in the face.
That touched me in the face.
Ugh, I love the smell of that though. So now, it only leaked a little bit. Okay, a little bit plus a lot. So only because I flipped that up. So now, that hose right there comes up underneath and runs under here. So we got to take the engine cover off to get to the next one. And those are still 10 mil. So pretty much everything on this install is 10 millimeters.
Okay, why are we doing this by hand?
I don't know. I'm following you, bro. I'm just hearing a day in the life of Leon.
What the fuck? I don't know now.
So just think about it. But hell, just think about it. We really picking up something. You got the Type R, Nick Subi, then
It's in the works. It's in the works.
Got something in the works?
Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Don't try this at home, kids. Look, you thought you broke it.
The thing's like super powerful for no reason.
What's that? Walmart?
No.
Family Dollar?
No.
I got it. Dollar Tree.
Family Dollar.
somebody say family.
Stop it.
I wish this thing had like a lower setting, man.
It does.
It doesn't.
Drain the battery.
Oh, yeah.
Put you where you belong. In the trash.
No! Now, that fuel line we took off, this right here, the soft one, is going to route underneath, come up here, and come to this little connector right here. So we got to do the same thing. You kind of twist it. And when you twist it, you can push it off. And just like the other side, there's the little push pins. You should be able to push them while prying the line off. There should be a lot of gas coming out. Push that line back.
Which one?
The little black one. Just push down. I got the clips pushed. So it should just come off.
Right here.
Bullet! Swag. A little bit of gas came out just because of just what's left in the line. Residual. And then we can take that completely out. So, be easy with this because this had a lot of gas still in it. I guess it's just still down here. Yeah, and then
so much gas.
It went all over the intake manifold. But it is what it is. It'll kind of evaporate. Alright, in the kit, that line we just took off will be this line right here. So, and we took two 10 mils out, and those are going to go right here where we just were. Also, remember, you got to take off the colder intake, take the air box out, because you have to get to a sensor wire on the fan, and then here's the ones for the oxygen sensors, along with the ground. Something tells me you didn't want to take that off.
I didn't want to take it off at all.
Why did you want to take it off?
Because this thing is so huge.
All right. Get it. Introducing the 2022 Honda Type R trash can. Oh, so there is a baby blue one of these in town.
Boost blue.
Boost blue. Sorry, I got the color wrong. We passed it earlier and broke my neck.
Nah, you broke his neck. Because I was looking.
Yes, sir. We almost forgot. We gotta take the bracket off. We never even took it off. And those are 10 mils as well. You're gonna have to do it by ratchets because you can't get no tool now, I don't think. But
nope.
Boom, you see them? Two little 10 mils. Just remove those. Hopefully. We'll see. Come on, man. How long does it take you to take 10 mils out?
A lot, because...
It's a lot.
Where the hell does this go?
That route's over here. It goes underneath.
Okay.
And then you're gonna be using the same 10 mils. The same 10 mils will go in the factory location. Yep. So yeah, you can just route that under. Boom. We'll be able to reach that. Let me get it.
Go under the other two?
No, we're good. Go ahead and mount it. We can reroute this. Plug it in, plug it in. Okay.
That's copyright.
Oh God. I gotta beep that out.
Nah, man, just have me beatboxing in the back.
Oh.
So y'all working on this back.
Soundtrack by AP.
I want my credit.
Copyright.
I'll take this off.
Yeah, just take the little clip out.
Put that right here. Right?
Yeah, you can do that. And then you plug one in. You plug the other one in. Turn it. There you go. Push. Just like that.
Shit, bro.
That's how you do it right there, bro. Uh-oh. You done did broke it. Oh. O'Reilly. Auto part. Ow! That's copyright. That's copyright. Now, the locking pins. You put them on back where they just were. And then you take, I don't know, if it stays there, it's good. Get some zip ties, duct tape, super glue.
And this one goes here. Boom.
Somewhere in that location. We're getting there. Why you look stressed?
I'm so stressed.
He's not stressed. It's just Leon. You have to know him to know him. To know of him, of what he knows.
Hey, bro, I was hearing,
Yep, this one should plug up over here. No. Let me see. Yeah, boom. That'll plug up over there, and then we can route this along with everything else, because everything's gonna be plugged up over there. So we can route everything underneath. We actually, yeah, route everything underneath, and then all that stuff, it's all gonna route over here, and then to both of these sensors, along with the sensors down there on the fan. And then the ground, there is a ground. It's gonna go up top. So you just take that timber out, pull it out, put the ground there, zip it back tight.
I'm confused as to what this plugs into.
O2 sensor, boom. Yep, so you plug that into, not that one. This one gonna go into here. Wait, that's gonna go into that one. Nope, ain't gonna go neither one of those.
Yep.
What's up, bud? So I got a shirt on?
He's got a pamper on. He's got a shirt on. A slow moment. We were trying to plug a man, into a woman, into a woman. Which can work.
Oh, hold on. Okay, first of all,
It can work.
It's 2021.
It worked.
That's a thing.
That's a thing. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but not in automotive.
It can. You can depin it.
You're gonna get canceled.
Okay, no, please do that.
No, we're posting this. If I get copyrighted, it is what it is. I already got it, so it's like
So I think it's 10 millimeter out?
it is what it is. All right, so now that long wire has to go way down there to the bottom of the radiator.
I don't see anything.
Because it's dark.
I need a light.
I got a light. Well, my phone's about to die. Yeah, use your phone.
Where the hell?
Where the heck? Where the heck?
Hell is not a word. That is a place.
It's down there somewhere. And this has to go to it.
We just gotta find it.
You good?
Brother, help me. I'm stuck.
Are you stuck for real?
Yes.
So if I tickle you like this, you can't do nothing. Poop on my sweater.
There's throw up on his sweater already. Mom's.
Spaghetti. No,
Dad's
lasagna.
Dad's lasagna.
Dad's lasagna. Okay, we can do that. Dad's lasagna. Come on,
So we
man.
just finishing off, making sure all wires secured.
He's lying. We ain't done. We ain't
I
done.
thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that
We won't stop. I need some.
Get the valve cover
I need some
back
little covers
on.
right here. Valve cover,
Get the air intake boot back on.
and then throw the tune on it.
Throw the tune on real quick.
Remember,
Well,
Then
we
we're
in
going to
Mexico.
Mexico, baby.
We in Mexico.
There's no tune.
All right, while they're doing that, I'm gonna put that fuse back in before we forget, and we go to start it. It's not doing nothing. It's not gonna do nothing. Why you not work? Why you not working? I need you to work. And you might need to have tiny hands for this, because where it's gonna go is up here, and you might need to have tiny hands. Oh. All right, we're in there like swim gear. We literally installed this in like 11 minutes. The rest of the 30 minutes,
Thank you, PRL.
good shout outs to PRL and Rigid.
And two-step performance.
Definitely two-step performance. Now, all we gotta do now is tighten those up, put the terminal back on there, and then put the tune on the car. And then, go get some E85. What is that?
Kill the fire.
Shooting blanks.
Bro,
What are you doing?
Help.
This is why your girl mad at you. Oh no, it ain't moving at all. What if it jumped on you?
Cry.
Really? You gonna paint it black?
Oh, it's dead.
Why did it fall that way?
That was nasty. Oh, it overheated. My homie didn't have no. Alright, we're just gonna marry. Okay. Rest in peace, Bug. Go ahead. Hey, we need to do the rest in peace. RIP.
R.I.P.
RIP. Blooper. What are you doing?
I'm over it.
He's over it. I don't know what he's looking for, but he's over it. We're done. That's connected. That's put on. System put on. Can't put that in there. Alright, so what's next?
Now we gotta upload the tune.
And
so that
then
it can run safely.
without blowing it up. Let's hope. How you doing, sir?
I'm fine.
How's the weather back there?
It's fine back here, you know. Just getting my boy uploading his tune.
Full throttle shift.
About to get ready to head to Mexico, do some pools.
I guess we're about to head to Mexico and do some pools. See y'all in about 5 minutes. Okay, now we're heading to Post to go pick up some E85. The sun's bright. And that car hit everything but the lottery. I had to add that. Sorry, whoever that is. So the same car I just showed you that hit everything but the lottery almost hit us trying to get onto the highway. We got a long drive. Just kidding, it was only like maybe 15 minutes. How you feeling? Feeling great.
Outstanding.
Say that again, one more time.
Outstanding.
I don't know if you guys can read this, but that's how we get ponies.
Baby.
What will this do? More ponies?
More ponies, cooler temperatures, less knock, less emissions.
Getting there. That's pretty much the last step. Then we'll see how she rides.
Start in R mode.
Alright, we got E85 now. It's E30. It's mixed with pump. It's still showing.
It'll update.
Should adjust. But we'll see. We're in a highly. Nah, we're see, just hold on. Alright, so next up is what?
We got to get the tune done because unfortunately we lost power on the E85. So
I don't think the power, we lost power. I think it's more conservative, so it savors it. That's what I think.
We're coming from a fearable stage 2 to a base map from Honda, so
Conservative.
Honestly, all I'm gonna say is 80 miles per hour feel like 100 in this thing. That's all I'm saying.
We only did 45.
this is yours, isn't it?
I don't know. Alright, that was a success. PRL flex fuel setup is installed on the Type R. Next up, he's going to be getting Pro Tune. So I will have that footage too, so that could be in another vlog. I really appreciate everybody that tuned in. Got a lot more stuff coming up, so I'll catch you guys on the next one. Appreciate you guys.